Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial we will know how to cut the model in any required shape. Suppose this is the 3D model of bricks, and if you want to place this model inside this designed surface, inside this designed any shapes, it's very difficult. Okay, so here we will use curic knife cut plugin. Okay, this is free. You can download through the link in the description. So what we'll have to do, we need to first make a 3D model in a group. Okay, this brick model in a group, and you need a face. Okay, you need a face of the shape. So first select the model, then click over here of this plugin, and then double click over this surface. Okay, so when you will click double over the surface, it will cut your model in a same shape. So this plugin are very useful. If you don't have, you can download. This is free, and if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and see you next tutorial. Thank you.